Hi you guys, it's Lisa. Thanks for joining me on my blog today. This is another edition of Craft Room Cleanup. Here we're going to look how we can store these different sequins and little items that we have floating around our craft room. I have this spoon put on the top of the cover here with a little foam dot, and it makes a perfect storage area for your little embellishments. You can also use this medicine dispenser, and this is great when I travel. Here is how I put my little different gems and such on my desk, and I split these up to get more for my money, and I split them with a friend. Here is the container. It has little wax melts in it, and I just peel the top of the label off here, and I use this undo, which really gets the stickiness off from the label. Then I open the package. I cut the top off so it's easier to get in and out of, so you're not dumping your sequins or your gems or your little googly eyes. And then I feel that it's got 6 little compartments, and it works really great. So my friend and I will split the containers of the different items, and you get an awful lot for your money. So this makes a really great thing you can keep on your desk and keep you organized. Thanks for staying tuned, and we'll see you again with another craft room cleanup.